the way this financial system is built, right? Recession, expansion, expansion, recession, recession, expansion, rinse, repeat, right? Cycles. It's manipulated. The financial system is manipulated. The equity market is manipulated. The real estate market, manipulated. Sports, manipulated. Any kind of market, gold and silver, manipulated. Open up your eyes. The cryptocurrency market is manipulated. Wherever there's money involved, you better believe smart money's there, and they're going to manipulate that market. Welcome back. You're here with the Mac, and follow me at Twitter at 007MacMac007. Again, 007MacMac007. Ask for my secret Telegram channel, and I'll hook you up. I'm going to keep on preaching about this until it gets deep down into your bones, into your marrow, and it seeps into your spirit, so that you will no longer be dumb money. You will no longer ask dumb money questions. You will no longer be the one selling when you should be buying, and buying when you should be selling. Let me give you a clue. Nothing continues on the same trend and path forever. Either way, green or red, up or down. And when you see something oversold or overbought, that's when you have to start thinking, okay, it's time to buy or it's time to sell. When everybody gets complacent and the feeling is mutual, it's euphoric, everybody's like, wow, this thing's never going to stop. That's when you got to get a little fearful. And have I made mistakes like that? Of course I have. But even in those mistakes, I have made and taken profits, right? I'm like, okay, yeah, I can see this keep on going, But during that process, and I'll use examples, a lot of people asked me about Lisk last year. At $2, I was getting in. Now, let's be real. Let's be honest. Do you not think that from $2 to $35, I'm not going to take profits? I'm not going to make some money there? Come on, guys. Pivots from $1 to $16, that I'm not going to take some profits? And I'm not going to even talk about this market, but in a bear market, ontology from $1.74 to $10, especially in a bear market, that I'm not going to take some profits? That's what I'm talking about. You have to answer those questions for yourself, where you have to say, wait a minute. It's gone from $1.74 in a matter of months to $10 in a bear market. I better take some profits. So now what's going on? Smart money's doing it again. Smart money, but this is highly intellectual, highly intelligent, high financial acumen, IQ type of money that makes the smart money that was in the cryptocurrency market look like dumb, foolish money, right? And I call them the whales that now are sardines, right? The megalodon is here. Wall Street is here. The conglomerates are here. And no one comes close to the way these people manipulate. No one. All right? So, again, this is not financial advice. This is just my humble opinion. But what you see in the market right now is red. And people are freaking out and selling, panic selling. That's dumb money. Again, this is not financial advice, and I'm not trying to offend you, but we need to learn. This is the way you learn. This is the way you mature. This is the way you understand and comprehend what is taking place in the market, where you don't need to ask questions, where you can answer those questions. That's what we need. We need more intelligence in this cryptocurrency market. We need more high acumen investors in this cryptocurrency market. Because if not, the pigs will be slaughtered. Now, listen to me. I'm not foolish. I understand. There's always going to be pigs. Always will be pigs. But we need to shorten that gap a little bit. And that's what I want. That's what I want. where you can see, you know what, I'm not going to sell because it's red right now. Now, listen to me. There is a time to sell, and if you can see a trend and you can be like, wait a minute, there's going to be more manipulation, I might just sell and then get back in. Yes, that's smart as well. But if you're doing it out of panic and fear and you're lost and confused and you don't even know what you're doing, then you got to be realistic with yourself. You're dumb money. And I'm not trying to insult you. I'm not trying to make fun of you, poke at you. I'm just trying to help you where you understand what's going on. Again, if you've seen and heard part 1, part 2 of market manipulation, you understand what's going on. And now let's get into Bakkt, B-A-K-K-T. They're delaying again. Delay. For me, that means accumulate. Guys, if you can't see it, and you're panicking and freaking out, again, this is not to poke fun at you, this is not to insult you, but you are in the category of dumb money. You have to think like they think. And when I say they, I'm talking about smart money. And now I'm talking about Wall Street. Yes, Wall Street's involved. This is a Wall Street hostile cryptocurrency market takeover. That is what's taking place right now. And you have to make the choice. What are you going to do? Are you going to think like dumb money, or you're going to think like smart money? Again, I'm going to preach this until it gets deep down into your spirit, that you know what is taking place. And you don't even have to ask those questions. And you can sit back and be a mature cryptocurrency investor. And then you can apply this to other investments. And understand this. Again, this is not financial advice. This is just my humble opinion. But in my humble opinion, I'm going to declare this and say this. That you will understand, wherever there's money involved, in any kind of market, yes, it is manipulated. Sports, gambling, fantasy sports, all of it, manipulated. Tell me a market. The art market, manipulated. Real estate, manipulated. Any market that you can come up with, manipulated. Wherever there's money involved, it's manipulated. Smart money will always try to wash out dumb money, shake you off, take advantage, and bully you. You have to understand that. So when you start seeing these things happen, you can take a different approach, see it from a different prism, and act accordingly. Again, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to sell, to buy. I'm just trying to help you out and try to give you some wise information about how I look at all these markets, and just sharing it with you. Again, not financial advice, just my humble opinion. All right, guys, like my video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell, follow me on Twitter, 007 Mac 007, and you guys already know, I'm out. Be blessed.